Good day, class. Good day, Mr. Powell. Good day, YouTube. Good day, all my future fans. Today I just want to talk about a very short topic. I hope you find it entertaining or interesting, I should say. But I just want to speak on a very interesting document that I stumbled upon. It is actually good to have dogs. The document said it's good to have pets, but I'm a dog person, so I will talk about the health benefits of having dogs around you. Not necessarily your dog, but just being around dogs is good for you. Benefits. Tons of research has gone into this. So right now, I'm just going to talk about just 4 of these benefits as to why you should go out and get a dog if you don't already have one, and how it could actually help you. So number 1, health benefit is actually contrary to what the media will have us believe, contrary to what the advertisement will have us believe, the detergent advertisement. Bacteria is actually good for the human body. Now, I'm not talking about bacteria or viruses like malaria or the other scary ones. It's just regular bacteria. Dogs are covered with bacteria. It is good for us. I know it sounds crazy, but it's actually good for us because the way our immune system works is we don't know about bacteria until we have an encounter. So the more bacteria that we're exposed to, the more our bodies will actually learn about them and be able to defend us from an attack. So having a dog covered in bacteria is good for every child. It's good for adults as well. Your body will quickly learn about all these bacteria, and you, in turn, you will have a higher immune system, and which is actually good for your overall health. Number 2, is actually tons of exercises involved in having a dog. Dogs, it depends on the size of the dog, but typically they need about 30 minutes exercise per day. That's actually good for the human as well because we need exercise as well. So this is the second reason why you need to go out and actually take a walk or just go to the park. It's actually good for you physically. Besides this, dogs are always clean. They always have mess to clean up. They always need to be fed, or there's something that they need. So it's good. It's like having a child. I know besides the work uh, or the constant need to take care of the dog, it is good exercise for you. Number 3, research has also shown that persons who have dogs or been exposed to dogs are happier people on a whole, generally speaking. And it's not for everyone, but generally speaking, the population, persons who are exposed to dogs are happier. Dogs are always playing, always happy to see you, always doing the silliest things, always trying to make you happy. So it's actually good for you, just like being around happy people. Just being around happy people makes you happier. Just being around a dog that's happy to see you makes you happier. And number 4, which is I think is a combination of all the points: the better immune system, the happier state of mind, and also the exercise. Overall, is good for your heart. So persons who have dogs, research have shown that they're in a better state overall, and they have a better heart. This is also based on a Chinese study. It shows that uh, persons who get better sleep at night have a happier heart. Also, persons who have dogs, they get better sleep at night. It could be attributed to the fact that they know that they have the dog in the house. It's a comforting point, or maybe they're tired from all that walking. But whatever it is, overall, persons who have dogs are actually in a better health state, and in extension, you have a better heart. So I touched on 4 points, but just to tie in how this all comes together, mentally, just being in a happier state, you have a more mental stability. Emotionally, just being around happy people, which in this case, happy dog, keeps you mentally stable. And physically, because of the exercise. So in conclusion, I strongly recommend for persons who are either suffering from depression, and this is not a doctor's recommendation. I'm just saying, persons who needs to have a bit more fun in their life, just go out and get a dog. A small dog, doesn't have to be big. And or if you have a friend that has a dog, you just go out and spend some time with the dog, and it will make you a happier person. Thanks once again. Thanks for listening, and have a good one.